Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your boy Gavri'el coming to you on this Sunday with a little bit of inspiration. For those of you who don't know by now, I am an author. I am about to release book number 5, which is Doors Without Knobs 11 Seconds to Eternity. But the question lately has been coming up around prayer. And I touch on it in the book very little, but not as much as I would have liked to now after all of the questions coming to me about prayer. Why certain prayers don't get answered, why prayers seemingly going ignored. I just want to give you my take on prayer. Listen, let me give you a quick example. Let's just suppose we were baking a cake. And when we were assembling our ingredients, one thing we do is say, okay, I'm not using salt and pepper. I'm not using any cornmeal. I'm not using any low fat milk. And I'm not using any oregano in this recipe. But we are using flour, sugar, vanilla flavoring, um, all of the ingredients, butter, milk, the things that actually go into a cake recipe. My question to you is this: why even mention the cornmeal, the low fat milk, the salt, the pepper, and the oregano? As my nephew Ryan Jorel says, let's talk about what we're talking about. So let's go back to our prayers. So our prayers is something like this: Lord God, creator of heaven and earth, Lord, give me, Lord, I need, Lord, I'm a wretch undone, Lord, I'm not this, I'm not that, but I'm yours. Going through, I'm going through these struggles. We go through all of that drama before we ever get around to the request or the petition. So back to what my nephew, Ryan Jorel, says. Let's talk about what we're talking about. Leave the soliloquies for poets. Leave the dramatics for the drama field. Put a period on your prayer. Yes, I said it. Put a period on your prayer. And this is what that looks like. I am healed. Period. I am blessed. Period. Whatever blessed looks like to you as an individual. Period. I am prosperous. Period. My business is flourishing. Period. I am prepared for prosperity. Period. I have joy. Period. I have peace. Period. Not in spite of anything, not because of anything. I have peace. Period. I am loved. Period. I am concerned about. Period. I am a star. Period. Something that Jennifer Lewis said, and I just heard that just today. She said that I didn't realize that I was a star until I realized that we all are. Put a period on your prayer. This is your boy Gavri'el on this Sunday with today's inspirational message.